How's it, my friends from the YouTube world, and welcome back. We went to the Vintage 4x4 show of the Eastern Province Vintage Car Club, and this is just a snapshot of what was there on that day. Enjoy it. As you can see, there was quite a few vehicles there, from brand new Amaroks, Rangers and Hiluxes that was there, as well as old Land Rovers. There was also a Willy's Jeep, there was an old Suzuki there as well, and then the Hilux Buckies and the old Land Cruiser. And then, of course, the stars that took some thunder away from the 4x4s there was the old Mercedes Benzes that pitched up, as well as the Minis.
To like, subscribe and hit those notification bells to get notified when we post another video. Thank you for watching.